this is the Agora February Mystery Makeup Box. Stay tuned and we'll have a little look to see exactly what's in here. Hey guys, and welcome. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video I have an unboxing for you. It is this. So this is the Agora Makeup Mystery Box for February. Let's open her on up. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And yeah, please remember to smash that thumbs up button as well. It really helps my channel out. But yeah, let's have a little sneak peek. Right guys, so this is inside the box. So yet again we get the thank you card, thanking them for a purchase. And there is a little sneak peek for you. So it doesn't look a lot, but it does say that you get 4 products in here. This cost £12.99. I will put a link below in the information box and the comment box for you if you want to try and one of these boxes out for yourself. I don't think you're guaranteed to get exactly the same as me, but yeah, let's have a proper dig through to see what we've got. Right guys, so the first product we have in this box is this. So it's by the brand joanneblack. joanneblack is doing the rounds and has been doing the rounds, I think, for the last 12 months that I've been doing unboxings for. I think it's over 12 months I've been doing this for. But this is Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for the face. I have got this somewhere. I've got this in a couple of shades. It's vegan friendly, it's cruelty free, and this is 20ml and it's in the shade Champagne. Is it sealed? Yes, it is sealed. I am keeping it that way, most definitely. Can I get it? My thing's all over there and it's buried. Oh, I can't be bothered. But it's gorgeous. It's really gorgeous shade, and it looks lovely under foundation. But I just had it loads of times now. Yeah. Although joanneblack do some very nice makeup, it would be nice to see other bits of makeup from joanneblack, not just the Glow Drops. Suggestion maybe. Second product we have is this, and this is by phoera. I have no idea how to pronounce that. I do apologise. And this is All Matte Pore Invisible Face Primer. Really? Another primer? Minimising facial pores, smooth moisturising, flawless finish. Fills in fine lines. That would actually be great. I'll see if it'll work on these million that I've got under each eye. And pours instantly, lightweight, oil free. Oh wow, that's really small. really small. Is that 8ml? No, 6. There's 6ml here. Okay. So I've just popped a little bit on there, as you can see. When you first rub it in, it's like thick. Well, it hasn't, do you know how obviously you get lines with moving and that? It hasn't really filled them in, so I don't know how it's going to be on my face. Oh, I don't know. I'll have to actually try that. Oh, wait a minute, is that slippery feeling? Oh, I don't know. I'm definitely just going to have to bite the bullet and try it on my face, but I don't know what to make of that. So the second product we have in here is this. So this is by the brand Me, spelt M-I-I, and it's a Shimmering Lip Sheen. Just says, simply glides on for a natural polished look that makes lips shimmer and speak sparkle. Well, initially looking at that, I'm really liking that colour. That is absolutely gorgeous. Quite nice simple packaging, nothing too flashy. We have a dofer, and that's what colour it is. So it's very lightly tinted. I like the look of that. That looks really nice. I can't really smell much on it, but yeah, it's a very nice shade if you want just a little natural look but a little bit of sheen. Okay, yeah, I kind of like that. It's nice. So the fourth and final product we have in here is this. So this is by Rockins Cosmetics. I have never heard of these before, and it's a long-lasting gel eyeliner. It says twist up and sharpen in the shade black. Okay, let's have a little play. Really liking the packaging on that. It's very cute. Right, so if you take the top off here, you can sharpen the tip. So let's do that. So that's what the tip looks like there. So you can just do that when it goes blunt and make it sharp again. Cool. Oh, I like that. Guys, that is buttery and creamy. It's not the blackest in the world, but I really like that. It's like a, not that it makes sense, but it's a subtle black. Can you get a subtle black? Yeah, here it is. It's not black, black, black. It's just black. Oh my God. But yeah, I really like that. I like that did just glide on. It's nice and soft, and yeah, I really, really like that. Yeah, I'm really, really liking that. Oh, who even am I? I like an eyeliner since when? Right guys, so this is the Agora mystery makeup box. What do you think? Right, so personally, I do like it. But like the skincare box that we unboxed earlier on, it has a double of something. In the skincare box it was 2 sheet masks, and then in this one there's 2 primers. Yes, the 2 primers do 2 different things. One of them is illuminating, one of them is for pores and wrinkles, but still it's 2 primers. I'm really, really liking that eyeliner. It's really, really nice. And that lip oil, well, it's not a lip oil, is it? Sorry, it's a lip sheen. It's gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I think that would actually work on any coloured lipstick that you've got on if you want to pop it on top of something to give it a glossy look. So yeah, if it wasn't for the fact there was 2 primers in there, I would really, really love this box. Maybe a nice little mascara to go with the eyeliner would have been really nice. But yeah, overall I think I am happy. Again, I feel like I've got my money's worth. Again, this was £12.99. I really do feel like I have got that money's worth, so that's something. But yeah, comment down below and let me know your thoughts. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.